Today, I will show you how I trade with candlestick analysis. This is a downtrend, so I will follow the trend and trading down. So I own the trade. Lots of my friends told me to make a video on instant money. Today I will tell you a secret and big chance to make good money fast. I am using this exchange from last 3 years. Recently I saw that they are buying Bitcoin and Ethereum in higher price than other exchange. The website is xmgold.me. You can see the price is higher. Let's start with signing up. As I already have an account, I am logging in. See my previous exchanges. You can get the chance for a few days only. I am using more account on this exchange. Let's do one more time. You can see the fees is very low. You will receive $294 total. Submit your wallet address here. Now copy the address and send 0.0043 Bitcoin to this address. Now submit. Every time I got my money very fast. So it's completed. You can see your exchange information here. Let's check the profit for $1,000. You can see you can made $172 if you exchange $1,000. This is a huge profit for me. I have made lots of money on other accounts. I'm showing them for YouTube policy. You can see only $6 fees for $1,000 exchange. So don't miss the chance. This will be available for a few days only. Here, after the bearish candle, there is a shooting star candle, so the next candle will be red candle. So I own the trade again. Here is an opportunity. A long bullish candle, so the next candle will try to retrace from the closing level. On the trade. Waiting for the next opportunity, and this will be the last trade. After two bullish candles, there is a shooting star candle, so the next candle will go down. Always analysis, market trend, and candlestick before trade. Thank you.